Hello, thank you for sharing this moment as you set aside time to be with your whole self. By being here, you're choosing to care for and deepen your relationship with both your inner and outer worlds. As with any relationship, the connections and growth can unfold in simple, everyday moments of presence, one small act, one breath at a time. Please always keep in mind that this guided meditation is intended for relaxation and personal growth. And if at any time you experience discomfort, please pause and attend to your needs. Now let us settle here together and begin. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, where your body feels fully supported. Now close your eyes. If that makes you uncomfortable, you can soften your gaze and blur your focus. You're beginning to rechannel your senses to connect with parts of yourself and the space around you that often go unnoticed when our attention is on what we can see. Let's begin by attuning to the surface beneath you. Does it feel hard? Or does it feel soft? Adjust the body if you need to feel more comfortable, and let your feelings guide your needs. Notice how you're being supported. There's the gravity that we don't typically think about that keep us grounded. Take a deep breath in and hold it for a second. And slowly exhale. Our long and slow exhalations signals the heart to slow down, allowing the body to rest, relax, and repair. Now inhale gently through your nose. Pause for a moment. Exhale with a slow, long breath, softening your shoulder with the release. We're going to continue to create a sense of relaxation and feeling of being in a safe environment by calming our body with our breaths. As you take your next breath, inhale gently through your nose. Pause for a moment to notice what it feels like to hold your breath. Let's inhale gently. As you prepare for the exhale, let your shoulders soften and release tension. Exhale with a long, slow breath. Let's inhale and exhale one more time. This time, paying close attention to the sensation of the breath entering and leaving your body. Inhale slowly. Exhale long and gently. Now let your breath find its natural rhythm. We're going to pause here for a second, giving the attention to your body that it might be missing when we're caught up in the busyness of everyday life. Now put one hand over the heart center Feel the steady beat beneath your palm as your body rise and fall with each breath. Imagine the heart's rhythm, sending fresh, oxygen-rich blood through the vessels of your chest, across your shoulders, down the length of each arm, and towards the fingertips. Notice a gentle stream nourishing every cell of your body. As you continue to imagine the flow going downward towards the leg muscles, reaching the bottom of your feet. Imagine the blood flow returning with the help of your legs and core. The circulation continues on through the effortless partnerships of your heart, blood vessels, and the subtle movements of your leg muscles. Notice the steady rhythm of giving and receiving, flowing outward and inward. Let this pause be a reminder of balance and quiet restoration that is present whenever you allow your body to feel safe and calm. As your hands rise and fall with each breath, what are you noticing about the body? The intricate system that keeps us going. Like gravity, it's easy to forget its presence. And tuning in invites awareness, making time to listen and attend to the body's needs before it speaks to us through discomfort, fatigue, or pain. Give gratitude to how it is always nourishing us and repairing us as we rest and begin a new day. We'll pause here a little longer so we can listen and be more acquainted with the quiet language of the body. When your mind starts to drift into competing thoughts, gently bring your awareness back to the body, simply being with it to detect its subtle messages. And each time you return to the present, you're strengthening your mindful attention. This helps you to step more fully into the driver's seat. So you're reconnecting with your whole self and making mindful choices from that centered place. Now let's travel to each part of your body to relax the tension that might have been missed. We'll begin with softening the forehead. And now let's release the tension in the jaw and ease the throat. Let your shoulders soften and relax the ribs and the belly button. Now bring your attention to the lower back, your hips, and your thighs, where tension can build up after a long day. Let's move to the knees, the part of our body that we often take for granted, as it works tirelessly supporting our everyday movement and activities. Finally, let's relax the ankles, the heels, and wiggle your toes. As you rest in silence, notice what's still calling for your attention. Channel your focus to the spot and imagine breathing fresh oxygen into that space. Whisper to yourself that I see you. You have done so much for me. Slow the breath, sending your unconditional love, and allow it to soften and restore with the help of your attention and care. Feel how when we give our gentle awareness, the body responds and softens with closeness. Much like a child feels loved when held with warmth and loving kindness. As your mind, breath, heartbeat, and the full body aligns, notice the coherence and peace that might be surfacing in the moments of resting and relaxation. Relax and loosen your arms to the side of your body, with your palms facing upward or outward. Feel the vastness of the space, a container that is holding all of us. Notice the boundlessness that is available when we remove the boundaries that our eyesight often imposes. In this state, we can start to get a sense of the spaciousness and support that we can offer to ourselves. Sense this ease of being with yourself fully. Grounded by gravity, sustained by your breath, with the mind and body resting in connection, and the air molecules that are constantly surrounding and accompanying you. We are never truly alone. Whisper to yourself, in slowness unseen. In coherence, I'm free to flow and connect with this authentic human experience. Now take 3 slow, long breaths. Let's give gratitude to your body for its constant healing and renewal. Thank yourself for meeting the unknown without judgment and with curiosity and care. I hope you'll carry this grounded flow and coherence into your day as a commitment to curiosity, compassion, and the inner healing that arises when you make room for yourself to rest and relax and be free. Our relationship with our body is much like our relationships with others. As I've learned, it is built in the smallest, most ordinary moments, in the everyday ways we pay attention, listen, and respond. When we treat our body not as an object to be controlled, but as a companion to be in relationship with, we begin to discover its quiet wisdom, the way it speaks, the way it heals, the way it invites us to reconnect and be our whole selves. So let this time remind you that you can always come back again and again to listen, to grow, and renew. Until next time, stay curious, stay human.